Hurricane Milton happening, you know, we had some structural damage along the prison, and as you can see, we are working hard to get that fixed promptly, so that way we're back to normal operations. And we just appreciate the fact that the ELT, you know, the executive leadership team came down. They took time out to come down from Tallahassee, to come see us, to let us know how proud they are of us, and that just feels good because, you know, this is our top brass. These are the ones that make sure we are taken care of.
As soon as we accounted for all of our staff and it was safe to go into the community, our Region 3 leadership went out into the field offices to conduct damage assessments on our field offices.
We made a lot of contacts on a lot of high-risk sex offenders, going into their houses, ensuring they were still maintaining good contact, making sure they was abiding by all their conditions of supervision.
Yes, I really appreciate the executive team showing up and seeing that we're out here trying to get things straightened out and helping each other out after the storm. I really appreciate the team. They've really tried to do some good things for maintenance in the last 3 or 4 years, and you know, with money and different things, accommodations, it's really made a difference. It's really helped morale a lot. We got a really top executive team right now, in my opinion.